That's where the village is, Kula. Right? It's last Sunday of the year,
Oh,
2018 today. They just want to come and wish you all the
koro
best.
yang dua,
Right?
yang dua.
Family.
Oh, ruk lepo.
Rukuruku Plaza will be singing for another 15 minutes or so. Please, we have a donation box which is running from there. Kula. That money goes straight to them after they singing this afternoon. Right? So families, lovely people, you can take many, many pictures. Before they finish today, you can come here and take photos with the kids, with these beautiful children from Rukuruku. Sinaka, enjoy the song. Thank you. Naka, more songs. Naka. Welcome back, family.
Dona hotel ribina kana hotel ngona Fijian. Go ni chungur na beach and grill. Setu na sekolah. Nambara ko ralang setu na ngoni ni Sunday school na kororo. Nandoka. Nakabili po na barong sumay sa kwaya. Numoto banta.
How long was the screen?